camera shy? Do you not want to get in front of a video camera because you don't like what you look like? Well, you're not alone. I'm in the same boat. I actually learned how to create videos without being in front of a video camera for that same reason. But the reality is nobody cares what we look like except us. They only care on the value. They only care on what we can do for them. We can be the funniest looking person around, but if we provide value for that person that's watching our video, they're going to continue watching. So let's just get over ourselves like I did, get in front of the video camera, accept the fact that I'm not 20 years old anymore. I wear glasses because I need to see, and move on from there. So the other thing I wanted to mention to you is that there are other ways to make videos. Talking heads are very important because it creates that get to know you relationship that's very important in online marketing. But there are times that you want to use something funky or something fun or something attention grabbing because the talking head can get boring after a while. And at New Horizons 123, we specialize in that. There are many different ways. You can do an animation, you can do text, you can do motion graphics, you can do cartoons, you can do those little video scribe videos. We do all of them. And we're available to either A, show you how to do it yourselves, or do it for you. So please contact us at New Horizons 123. We'll put a link underneath the video here. And if you're like I am, was, still am, and don't want to be in front of the video camera, recognize that you're probably the only one that really cares what you look like. And you look good enough. If your value is good enough, what you look like is absolutely irrelevant. So welcome to video marketing and my face, and we'll see you around the web.